Absen X2V LED panel. Introduced in late 2017, the Absen X2V has gained popularity in the rental market. Today, we will go through an exciting journey to thoroughly evaluate this product. In this video, we carefully go through manufacturer's specifications and compare it with our lab test results and explore the key features of the Absen X2V LED modules. First, we are going to check the viewing quality and physical characteristics, and then we will run a few quality and durability tests on the X2V module to ensure its quality as well. We already have made a separate video that explains each characteristic and what each test means. For those who haven't seen it, please check our Pixel website that you can find link in the description for more detail. In this section, we are going to check visual characteristics including resolution, contrast ratio, pixel pitch, and brightness. We will continue by looking at the viewing angle and finally the refresh rate. After that, we will check the physical aspects. We start with module removal followed by power supply replacement, and finally data pack removal and connectivity between the cabinet and electronic components. We're going to validate the X2V features on Absen's datasheet in our test lab with high-quality and calibrated testing equipment such as popular measurement tools like Hoppekeller's Lux Meter, OHSP 350 and LX13-30B, and M&A Instrument Screen Luminance Meter, SM 208. Absen's high-resolution display ensures clarity and precision in every detail and grabs people's attention. As validated through our testing, the X2V boasts a resolution of 192 multiplied by 216, defining the number of pixels arranged both horizontally and vertically. Featuring a pixel pitch of 2.6, the X2V offers high pixel density, resulting in sharp, detailed images with superior clarity. This pixel pitch ensures optimal performance, especially when viewing content up close. After running a 500-hour test on a panel, we found that it produced a high but not factory-listed contrast ratio of 5,170 to 1. We noticed that the X2V panel shows clear distinctions between bright and dark parts of the picture. However, when we compared our results with the information on the datasheet, which states a contrast ratio of 6,100 to 1, there was a discrepancy. At a brightness level of 1200 nits, the X2V produces live and bright displays, making it visible even in well-lit indoor areas. This high brightness makes the content stand out, effortlessly grabbing the audience's attention. We found that our test panel achieved 1200 nits as specified in the datasheet, boasting a horizontal viewing angle of 160 degrees and vertical viewing angle of 140 degrees, allows X2V to provide an optimal viewing experience, accommodating viewers seated at a wide variety of different angles relative to the display. With a refresh rate of 3.83 kHz, the X2V meets the high demands of live broadcast cameras. You can see the oscilloscope results on the screen, which are accurate to the manufacturer's specifications. Now let us explore its physical features. With X2V, Absen is targeting the higher-end display market by offering a full ground support system and hang brackets in varied sizes. The sturdy magnesium frame provides unmatched flexibility in display setups up to 17 panels, while ensuring structural integrity. The cabinets easily connect to each other using the integrated locking mechanisms. Strong magnets hold the module in place, so we recommend using a vacuum tool for module removal and service. The power supply data pack powers up the cabinet using 4 quick-release clip connectors. A technician can easily unlatch the clips of power supply data pack and swap it out for a new one. X2V uses high-quality ICs from a well-known Chinese manufacturer called Chip 1 and black-body SMD 2121 LEDs from NationStar in their display modules. After thorough testing in our lab, we proved that the IC N20538P driver powering these LEDs is efficient and reliable. Each cabinet has a NovaStar AA test receiver card. The A8S is a high-end receiving card developed by Novastar featuring a small size and large loading capacity with capacity to support up to 512 by 256 pixels with a single card. It can effectively remove color difference and improve LED display image consistency and clarity. The X2V display cabinet features a reliable and efficient power supply, a Model G pad power supply manufactured by Gold Power with power factor correction (PFC). You can find this power supply and many other components on www.sinaplug.com or in the link in the description. Additionally, X2V employs new trick connectors for seamless power connectivity, ensuring secure and robust connections that uphold operational integrity. Data connection is handled by industry-standard RJ45 Ethernet cables, offering reliable and high-speed data transmission capabilities that facilitate seamless communication between devices and ensure optimal performance of our display systems. Test procedures. We are going to continue our reliability and quality test procedure by running 4 important tests on X2V as well. First, an ESD test, then we will do a vibration test and thermal test, finally an EMI test. At first ESD test, we tested the X2V module using the IEC 6,100,042 standard to evaluate electronic equipment like LED panels for electrostatic discharge immunity. In our lab, we use a Schaffner ESD meter to ensure our products are dependable and safe. During testing, we simulate real-world conditions accurately. The LED module managed a 1 kV electrostatic discharge well, showing its resistance to moderate static electricity. However, when exposed to a higher 2 kV discharge, the panel's IC drivers burned out. X2V still meets basic requirements. Let's look at vibration test. We use vibration tests for several reasons, such as performance evaluation and checking to see how these can handle transportation in the long run. If we want to consider a STMD 3580 or MILIS DD810 standard practice for vertical linear motion, the Tectonda vertical electromagnetic vibration machine is a good option. We place the LED module on the vibration machine to evaluate its quality for several hours to ensure it remains good. The third test that we want to discuss is thermal test. For thermal testing, we use Thermotron's S8 environmental test chamber in accordance with below standards that address thermal durability testing procedures. Thermotron's S8 chambers offer high performance with 227 liters, about 8 cubic feet of workspace for running this test. We evaluated the X2V style in the chamber, exposing it according to the listed standards, and X2V passed the requirements, functioned properly, and remained in excellent condition after all tests. Finally, EMI tests. LEDs are split into indoor and outdoor types, both needing to meet standards for electromagnetic interference, EMI, as per FCC guidelines, Title 47, Section 15. By using tools like the Tri-Field DMF meter model TF2, we confirm that X2V LEDs comply with these standards in both indoor and outdoor settings, and that X2V has minimal interference on electronic devices. Repair and maintenance. Focusing a bit more on maintaining and repairing the X2V module would help in better product selection. The X2V maintenance is more difficult to repair than normal because of a few reasons. First, it is harder to fix the LEDs because there is not much space to work with, and there is a chance you might accidentally take off pads from the PCB while fixing it. The pins that connect the X2V panel to the printed circuit board tends to get loose over time, and that causes the frame separation. The shaders on this module aren't as strong as the ones on similar models, but it's important to mention that the X2V has a stronger frame and spine handle than other comparable products. At Pixel, we make servicing your Absen products easy. We provide both replacement parts and technical services right here at Pixel. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. Contact us today at the links in the description for more information.